welcome back to our channel. My name is Karen and today I'm going to share with you my Fall Decor Home Tour 2019. So I say go ahead and light your favorite fall candle, make yourself a mug of hot pumpkin spice coffee like I have here, sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy my tour. The first thing I want to share with you is before I go ahead and start decorating, I like to pull everything off of my pieces of furniture. I like to clean them really well, just give them a really good kind of fall cleaning. And what I like to clean my wood surfaces with is something called Milsac, and I have used this for years and years. This one actually is the orange scent, and they do have like a holiday scented one. It just gives your furniture a nice clean, a nice sheen, and everything is just ready for entertaining for the holiday season. I know we love football in our house, so I always entertain throughout the football season, right on into Thanksgiving and into the Christmas season. And then next, I love to use this Method brand for all my glass surfaces. I just love the scent of the mint. And I know it's not really fall scented, but I do like it. And then finally, what I like to do is get all of my throws, and I love to put them in the washing machine, and I put a cap full of these Downy infusions. This is the Amber Blossom. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. So for those days that you're just cuddling up on the couch watching the Hallmark Channel, you know that your throws are gonna smell so good. Again, the scent of amber smells really festive, especially this time of year. So now that all the cleaning is done, I've got the perfect clean canvas to start decorating. I had so much fun decorating for you guys. I really do have all of you in mind all the time when I do my decor videos. I just feel that you guys enjoy watching them, and I enjoy doing it for you as much as I do for our family. So I hope that you like what I did this year. I'm really loving it. So let's go ahead and get on to the tour. And for a quick side note, I do not have any curtains up yet in my home. I took the ones that I had down, and I'm not quite sure yet what I want, even if I want any. So if you see these curtain rods like behind me, just ignore them, because I think the rest of the house looks really pretty. Another way I love to get into the festive fall season is to change out the scents in my Scentsy Warmers. So this one is a cider mill scent. I'm gonna go ahead and drop those in. Oh, I love the smell of the fall festive season. Welcome to my home. Come on in. This is my foyer. As you can see, if you have watched my previous videos, this piece of furniture was a neutral toned antique piece. I love the look of the distressed finish, so my husband went ahead and surprised me and did this while I was away last weekend. It turned out beautifully. On this piece, I have this gorgeous lantern. Inside of it, I have some faux leaves, some sparkly acorns, and one of my favorite fall scented candles by Gold Canyon, and it's called Autumn Walk. I love this little owl candle too. I just had to add it to the table, along with this whitewashed candle holder and pumpkin, and of course the sign that says thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. This is one of my Gold Canyon warmers, and of course I've got to change out the scent, so my favorite again is Autumn Walk. Go ahead and plop that right in there and get that started, so when people walk into my home, they can smell the festive fall scent of the season. As you can see in this corner, I've got this container from Hobby Lobby last year. I just added some faux stems with some leaves and all the beautiful colors of the fall season. And look at this. Oh my gosh, I got this from Joann Fabrics. And actually, this is going to go on my front porch. I have not transitioned my front porch yet into the fall season. I will shortly. I didn't want my neighbors to think, oh my goodness, Karen, it's just a little bit early for this. I will put this on our front porch, and I will be doing a separate video of our front porch and our back patio for the fall season. Starting off here in my kitchen, I'm going to start with my kitchen island. Of course, we use this piece all the time for entertaining, so I didn't want to put too much on here. I know years past I had so many decorative pieces, and I thought this really just wasn't functional. So of course, this is one of the staple pieces, and this is a turntable. And on it I've got this beautiful pumpkin candle holder, and of course some fall sprigs. And I love this pumpkin topiary. And you've got to have a harvest apple candle, and I just placed some leaves underneath it just to give it again a little more of a festive look. Next to it I have our Fortunato Family Recipes cookbook holder. I do a lot of my food prep on the island, so this is the perfect place for the cookbook holder to hold all our family favorite recipes. I placed throughout my kitchen counters just a few of these really cute signs that I got from the Dollar Tree. This one is Farm Fresh, hand-picked pumpkins daily, 100% organic, and I just thought it was so cute. And over here behind my stove is Friends Gather Here. Again, this one is from the Dollar Tree. And another fall scented candle. And I love this little pumpkin. I actually had this one here last year and I liked exactly where it was, so I did put it back this year. If you guys follow me on all my vlogs, you'll know how much I love fresh flowers. So of course you've got to have fresh sunflowers on the counter, and I love putting them right here so I can look at them, they make me smile, and nothing like fresh blooms in the home. You've got to have your Mrs. Meyer's fall scented soaps and hand lotions and multi-purpose sprays. The new one this year is called Acorn Spice, and let me tell you, it smells fabulous. So these are all my favorite countertop cleaners and dish soaps. As I mentioned, these are my Scentsy Warmers. I went ahead and put my favorite fall scents. This is a cute little plaque that my husband picked up for me when he was traveling for business, and it's Happy Fall. And who does not love a fall or a seasonal themed coffee station? I've got a beautiful pumpkin canister here with my favorite fall coffees. And of course my Leaner creamer. You all know that how much I love my Leaner creamer. And some really pretty fall mugs. A Rae Dunn candle that says Blessed. I don't like to put a lot of stuff on my coffee station because I do want it to be functional as well. And this is another Dollar Tree little plaque. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. And of course my Scentsy Warmer. Now on to the Dinette Area. We put this on the wall. I love this Pumpkin Kisses Harvest Wishes. I love how this turned out. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty with the copper and the gold. So I've got a copper pumpkin here. And I made this beautiful arrangement with some festive stems from Hobby Lobby. Our copper table is one of my favorite pieces here in the home. And of course, I wanted to keep the centerpiece, again, pretty light. My husband does do a lot of work at home at night, so he does use this table as his desk. So I picked up these pieces from HomeGoods. Now I was deciding if I wanted to have the same size or one taller than the other, and I thought, why not change it up? I'm really all about the mix than I am about the match. So again, when you are creating a scene or a tablescape, you always want to start from left to right. So that is why I've got the taller one to the left and the smaller one to the right. Then inside the hurricane, I just have some acorns and some other little berries and faux leaves just to give this hurricane a festive look. Of course, with one of my favorite Gold Canyon candles. Next, I've got this beautiful display. Again, I've got some distressed candle holders with my faux candles that come on every night around 5. I love the way these look, you guys, especially at night. Create such a beautiful ambiance. Got these little leaves on here. And of course, just some fall scented candles. And I've got this hurricane with some little mini pumpkins and some blinged out acorns. And again, my favorite candle of all though, this is Leaves by Bath & Body. So here is the countertop, our bar. And I've got this pumpkin with some pretty little lights from the Dollar Tree. They're little leaves. It looks really pretty at night. And just a simple decorative piece here with some faux acorns and some candles. Over in this corner, I've got another Scentsy Warmer, an acorn, and just this little piece of decorative piece of some sunflowers, faux leaves, berries, and I think it looks perfect because it just blends nicely in with this picture. Now as you come down our hallway from our foyer, this is our family room. I love this gourd I got years ago from Home Goods. Again, I got these pieces from Hobby Lobby along with these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and then these sparkly pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, my gorgeous granddaughter, and this Tuscan holder. I love the look of it. Gorgeous pumpkin on top of it, and I just tucked some leaves in just to give it a little bit more of an accent, a little more of a festive look. And down below here, I've got this copper acorn. I've had this for years. Again, I love it. It just blends so beautifully with all the fall hues in my home. On this little coffee table, I've got my F, my lit up F for our last name, and this is from Kirkland's. And just another pole candle holder with a fall scented candle. And yes, this is the famous Archie. And I've got this beautiful fall throw from Home Goods, and I just love it. I love the colors. Again, blends so beautifully with my home decor. Hey, Arch. Next, I want to show you my fireplace mantle. We are going to add on to the mantle here shortly, but I didn't want to wait, so I wanted to go ahead and still decorate for the fall season. I got these candle holders from Hobby Lobby with these blingy, I love these, I added these extra, these blingy leaves, and again, these are also faux candles. I will insert a picture of them at night lit, some pumpkins, and again, I put this display together of the florals, and I thought it came out really pretty. Over here on our new leather chair, I found this pillow and I loved it. Cozy blankets, falling leaves, apple cider, cold weather, pumpkins, and hello autumn. I kept our TV stand relatively simple, so I got this piece from Hobby Lobby, and actually I purchased it to go outside on our patio. And since we have not transitioned this yet into the fall season, I just put these little mini pumpkins inside and put some beading around the center, along with a candle, and again a sparkly leaf. And then under here I just put a little pumpkin and count your blessings. I want to look at every time I look at the TV because we are truly blessed. And for one of my favorite pieces this fall season is this piece on my coffee table. I've got this beautiful tray from a local decor store here in our area. And I basically just filled it with gourds, pumpkins, pine cones, berries, and candles. This turned out beautifully. I love the way it looks. A couple other added pieces is this gather pillow that I added to our love seat, along again with the leaf throw little Archie. And I picked up these pillows from HomeGoods and just put these on here again just to add a little festive fall color with a throw. And on our newest piece of furniture, I added one little piece of decor. And I just put some copper, white, and gold faux pumpkins in it. Looked really pretty. And last but not least, I love changing this out with different sayings throughout the seasons. And this one is pumpkin patch, cozy sweaters, falling leaves, pumpkin pie, welcome fall. I hope that you enjoyed my Fall Decor Home Tour 2019. And I wish all of you a very festive season. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.